Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Nextsoft account. So if you've been previously using Nextsoft with a certain password but somehow forgot the password and are wondering how you can retrieve the data and information that is associated to your account, and if you'd like to recover your account, stick with me till the end of this video to get some instructions on how you can do that. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to login.nextsoft.com or account.nextsoft.com. If you land on account.nextsoft.com, you can see that on the upper right hand side there are different options like create account, login and support. Tap on the login button and then you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here it's going to ask you for your email address and your password in order to log into the account, but since you've forgotten the password, tap on can't login option that's below the login button. After you tap on the can't login option, you'll now land on an interface that looks like this, that will let you know that if you've forgotten your password or are unable to log in for any other reason, you'll have to enter your email address here. So now all you have to do is enter your email address over here and then tap on I am not a robot for security check, then tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you will now be sent a certain OTP and one-time password to your email address, and then you'll have to enter that OTP onto the particular section, by means of which you'll be able to change the password to your account. After changing the password to your account, you will now enter the current email address along with the new password that you just set for your account.